Forza Changhong Italia!
Mianyang China. We are in one of the production plants of Changhong. Changhong produces here fridge. Changhong produces more than 10 million fridge per year, and only in these production plants they produce more than 1 million products. Here starts the production of the fridge. Changhong produces fridge from 45 to 550 liter fridge. We are in front of one of the plastic mold of the fridge. Changhong produces every single component of its fridge, from compressor, where is world leader, to the little metal products. We are in the test area. In this area, every fridge were connected to test their performance to be sure that every products are perfect.